Sergeant Darcy finds true love in Afghanistan.
Fuck off. You tell it to fuck off in pasture. Fuck off. I'll tell you what, it's going to get a rifle butt in his head in a minute.
Well, it does seem to like the tough love.
I'll get bored in a minute. Come under contact now with this fucking thing. What would you do though? There's not a lot I can do with that. Fuck off. I'm fucking laughing at this hanging.
Persistence pays off.
What? I'll chuck it over this way, it won't bother me. Fucking go!
It must be love, love, love.